In the middle of a scorching desert stands the world's most dangerous venom facility. This is where the costliest liquid on Earth begins its journey. Before entering, every worker passes through strict security protocols. No mistakes are allowed here, not with scorpions involved. Behind these sealed doors, thousands of deadly scorpions are raised. Each species produces a venom with unique medical power. From deathstalkers to Arabian fat-tailed scorpions, the variety is massive. Every one of them can kill, yet also cure. The entire room is kept at precise temperature and humidity levels. A slight change can reduce venom quality instantly. A trained handler carefully selects a fully mature specimen. One wrong move, and the sting is life-threatening. The tail arches high, ready to strike at any moment. This is the most dangerous part of the process. The scorpion is placed on the extraction dock with precision. Here, science meets danger at its closest point. A micro-level electric pulse activates the venom glands. The scorpion reacts instantly, but safely. A tiny venom droplet appears at the tip of the stinger. This single drop is worth more than pure gold. The droplet slowly falls into a sterile glass vial. This is the most valuable moment of the entire operation. The collected venom is incredibly pure and concentrated. Just a few micrograms can influence powerful medicines. The venom is taken directly to the analysis lab. Under a microscope, its molecular structure is examined. The toxins form intricate patterns under magnification. Each shape represents a powerful neurochemical effect. The venom is frozen at -80 degrees Celsius to preserve its potency. Only a few labs in the world can store it safely. Each vial is labeled precisely and handled with extreme care. Even a tiny spill could be dangerous. The venom is shipped in specialized shock-proof containers. Its value is higher than the container's weight in gold. Once delivered, the venom is transformed into powerful medicines. Science turns a deadly toxin into life-saving treatment. The final product is ready, a medicine born from danger. Countless patients depend on this tiny vial. From one deadly drop to a life-saving cure. This is the hidden world of the scorpion venom factory.